Favorite stories? My father won pretty much about everything there was to win, except here. I think in '72, he was in a three-way pull, or a three-time pull off with Dick Obermeyer, but at the time it was still a super stock. Dick Obermeyer. Anyway, yeah, he got second, and then in '76, when I started pulling, the best I did was third here. But yeah, this was the one place we just couldn't quite conquer. So just want to say we appreciate you guys just remembering the old guys. That means a lot to us. So love the good work, and thank you all.
Okay, this is a note from my mom. She's pretty adamant about me reading this, so.
I told her I wasn't going to.
Yeah. Okay, to the National Bowling Championship Association. It was a delight to receive your letter of desire to add Ralph Chamberlin Sr. and the Honker to your retired tractor museum in association with the Northwestern Ohio Tractor Pullers. In the day, Bowling Green was the pole. Although Ralph had winning success in every venue I could think of, I'm sorry to say he never actually won first prize at Bowling Green. Second, yes, after 2 or 3 pull-offs. I think I'm right. Thanks for honoring these pioneers that paved the way for the sport as it is today. The innovation of the bends, banners, bossies, plus of course the Chamberlins, was exciting. All put their heart and soul into tractor pulling. Lots include their pocketbook too. Time and space do not allow for the recall of many other pioneers in the field. We are honored by your kindness and acknowledgement of one who is always ready to help another. The one with the words, "Thou shalt not cheat," on the hitch of his faithful Honker. It makes us all feel good to have him remembered. With gratitude and thanks, Joanne Chamberlin from the Chamberlin family. Thank you.